Hey everybody, I'm back here with another video for you guys. This one's not about arcade games, but what I'm going to use down in the arcade. I want to show you my new sanitaire that I picked up to use down in the arcade. I wanted a wider, it's got a wider thing on this, it's wider, so it picks up bigger debris. So I'm going to use this in the arcade. Probably leave it down there with the arcade, but this is the one I want to use mainly for the arcade floor instead of my other one. You've seen my other one, I've showed that one. But this one's also sanitary. It's an older model, but it's I don't think it's real old, but it's a rebuilt model, so I picked it up for like $180. You can buy these brand new for like $400 or $500, but I went with the used one because it's way cheaper. And it doesn't look bad. I cleaned this up and shined up the metal. As you can see, it's got some scratches in the top. And it's also got a light on the front. For whatever reason, I don't know why they put lights on the front of them. But so this is my new commercial vacuum that I picked up, and it's something to add to my small collection. But I'm not a vacuum collector, so at least I don't think I am. Most vacuum collectors would collect like vintage stuff, and this isn't really vintage, so I don't know what year this came out with, but I know they're still making this model today. So anyway, I'll flip it over and I'll show you the bottom of it. Let me pause. Alright, so here we go with it upside down. Like I was saying, it's rebuilt, it has new parts on the inside. This has got a little bit of scuff and a little rough, but they got new brushes in it. I was playing with it yesterday when I picked it up to wear in the brushes a bit. And I also got my other vacuum sitting over here. I thought I'd put it in the video. This is the one I showed you a couple months ago in the arcade there. And I just wanted to show you this one's how much bigger this one is compared to this one. But it's the same, it's pretty much the same setup. But this is just, it has a bigger, it's just a wider brush. But it's the same thing. This has got a chrome, it's got a metal brush on it, and so does this one. So they're real durable. It's got the same setup inside here with the belt in the center here that runs up through here, just as this one does. I think the only difference, I think this one's actually got a bigger motor in it. I think this, let's see, look at the plate here. Yeah, 6.5. And I think this one is 7.8. So yeah, it's got a bigger motor. And I think it looks, I like the look of these ones. Versus this one that has the painted hood. This has the chrome. I like the chrome better. And they upgraded it for me, so now it's got a cloth bag in it instead of the paper that it usually uses. Like this one has a cloth, so they upgraded this to a cloth as well. Yeah, so there's the undercarriage of it, and I'll just flip them back over. Give me a sec. Alright. And I flipped them both over so you can see the difference. This is the first one I got. This one I paid probably $350, $400 for. It's a 2-speed motor. This one here is just a 1-speed. And the switch to turn it on is back here on the hood So you would step on that to lower the thing back, and then step on here to turn it on. This one, the switch is up on the top there. What else can I say? It's I noticed that the thing on this is a lot more easier to turn than mine over here, but I think that's just because it's worn in. But yeah, I just love the way this looks compared to that, because that's the painted hood. This one's the chrome hood. It looks just way better. But I like it. It's awesome. But anyway, so I'm trying to not make this a dumbass long video, but anyway, so there it is. And then I also have I'll show you it running. I got a small clip of it running, and the cord's a little worn. I cleaned the cord up, but it's all pretty faded. But I think it's the same length as this one, because this one's 50. I think that's also 50, because most of them always are. And this has the handle's different. It has this type of handle, where this one has that looped thing, and then the switch on and off switch is right here. And on this one, you just hit the button right there. Here you just lower it until you lower it, and to fully lower it, you would step on here and just hold it down, just to make it fully lower down. But you know, there you go. That's about it. Just wanted to show that. And one other thing, just wanted to point out that it uses these ST style bags. The two of them actually work off of the same bag, so I don't have to buy different bags for it. So that's great. And that's about with the vacuums. The only other stuff I did Saturday was I had to pick up a new controller for my PS4 because I broke the other one. I was playing GTA with a friend. I sat the controller down and then stepped directly on it and broke it. So this is the new one. I gave the other one to a friend because he wants to use it for parts. So you know, better than throwing it out. So this is the new one I got. Looks a lot like my PS3 controller. This one. Well, okay, the new one's a little white, but anyway. And eventually I'm going to get a new headset, because look at this one. I had to try and fix this one, because the wires ripped out, and it was a big mess. Had to solder a bunch of wires, and anybody's ever had to cut this type of wire open with all the little tiny thin wires, it's a pain in the ass. But, so I did that. Speaking of GTA, I don't know what's going on right now, but apparently with some updates and stuff, the newer updates that they did, the invite function has been disabled, and I don't understand what the hell that's about. So anybody knows what's going on with that, you know, let me know, because I don't understand why all of a sudden I can't do invite sessions and stuff. I don't understand what the hell that Rockstar is doing. I don't know if it's an issue with the updates or what. But anyway, and if any of you guys on John's Arcade or whatever want to, you know, do a play with me on GTA, you know, I got my PSN network name on there. Should be in that listing of other people's. Mine's I'm Steve from Albany on John's Arcade, so there should be something there that it should be on that list that shows my PlayStation Network name. And then you can send me a thing. Maybe we could play online and chat or whatever, hang out or whatever. But just out of warning, I suck, so maybe you don't want to do that. But that is about it, and I'll see you in the next video. You know, I tried to make an interesting video. Okay, the vacuum thing is probably not that interesting, and this maybe is probably the only interesting thing. Maybe, I don't know. Well, you know, leave me comments. You know, see, maybe I can make them better. I don't know what to put on the channel anymore because it's like I got some stuff, but I don't have all the other stuff. It's kind of boring, but I don't know. Just let me know. But so anyway, I'll see you guys later in the next video, like I said, and see ya.